Chasing 299. What's up guys? Today we are working on something we like to call the BNF project. Guys, a quick reminder, this is not the project bike that we are giving away, but a good example of how we're going to do that. Keep watching.
Looking in the box of this beautiful machine, brand spanking new, strapped in with the Yamaha straps. Look at that.
Well, Stormy, we're finally here, lad. Finally got it. Finally, after years worth of waiting, it's finally here, and I'm looking at it, and I'm just loving it, just looking at it at the moment. And to our mates here at Ultimate Springwood, man, thank you, my good mate Roo, that's going to give us the delivery note now. Oh man, I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled.
The most lethal street bike around, MT10. This is the warranty manual, so throughout this has got all your details in here, and then through the back of it's where you take it in and get everything serviced. And this
great first run.
Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and big thank you to all of our patrons for continuously supporting us and chasing 299.
Hey, good day, Roo. You sold us a MT10.
yes, I certainly did. Chasing 299.
What do you think about the MT10?
Mate, there's not another bike on earth like it.
How do guys contact you to buy a bike?
Hey, just ring up Ultimate Springwood, Ultimate Motorbike Springwood. We're in Moss Street, we're 69 Moss Street, and yes, we'll do the best deal around.
Who do we ask for when we ring?
Chris Roo.
Mr. Roo. There you go, guys. You've met the man himself, Chris Roo. Sold us this great bike, and let's get started.
Join Chasing 299 today.